Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you how to make a wire or cable in SolidWorks. I'm not sure what your object look like, but I think this way can give you a general concept of how to make a wire in SolidWorks. So let's get started. So now we're gonna use Whipbox by feature to make your cable. Just remember that if you think about using the options in the feature, you usually 90% have to create a profile for it first. Profile just means like 2D sketch that your feature have to follow it. Like for Whipbox by feature, it just like whipping a profile along a set path. So let's make it more clear by an example. So assume your object looks like a box like this. Firstly, so we need to create a profile for it by starting a sketch. For example, if you want your wire start from this surface, so we should start the profile for the feature on this surface. So right click on that, choose sketch, not edit sketch, and then click on normal to back on your plane you are working on. And then choose the circles for the wire profile with the radius of 2.5 millimeter. There we go. After we have profile sketch for the cable, the next step we need to draw the path for swift to go along by using 3D sketch. Firstly, we need to exit this 2D sketch by clicking on this small thing, choosing sketch section, and inside sketch menu, clicking on that small arrow. It will show three options here. Just selecting 3D sketch. To make your cable more realistic, clicking on this small arrow, choosing plane, which allows you to draw free flow curve, starting at the center of the circle, and adding some boys like this, and then left the flick to end. Um, and the curve can be adjusted using the handles at each point like that. Exit with 3D sketch when we done. After done the profile sketch and path, now we go into the feature. In the feature menu, choosing web box by. As you can see, there are two things we need to choose here. One, your profile sketch, which is your circle that you just draw. And the pink box is for your path sketch, which was the flowing curve, but it's automatically choosing here. If not, you just need to click on this. Uh, then click OK. Our cable will look like this. If you want to make it a bit more realistic, just adding the fillet here. Go to the features section, choose the fillet, and choosing where you want to add in the fillet and radius. So that's it. So that's really basic way to make the wire or cables in SolidWorks. Um, Hope it's helpful. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.